Need to replace drain hose on Zanussi dishwasher, model ZDF21001WA.
Just to clarify, what's the make and model of your dishwasher? And have you run a diagnostic test cycle?
No need for diagnostics as pipe chewed and holes in, Zanussi ZDF21001WA.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
Yes.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
Not that I can think of.
Hi, I'm Daniel. Welcome to Just Answer. I'm reviewing your question now and will post back with your reply momentarily. To replace the hose on this, you need to pull the dishwasher out and lie it on its back. From there you can remove the bottom base cover from there. Once that's off, you can see the waste hose there going to the pump. Just use a pair of pliers and you can remove the spring clamp on there and then remove the waste hose from there. Then you can swap it over from there. So try that and see how it goes from there, but when you have the base off you can do it from there.
Hi, yesterday I did have the dishwasher out, but couldn't see what was needed to be done to remove to access the base. Mulable screws, but none seemed directly linked to the base plate.
I've attached a screenshot from the service manual and it shows how to remove the base there. Click here.
Thanks, look tomorrow when I get home from work and come back to you if any issues. Looks clearer from the pictures. Once the hose is removed, do I need to remove the back panel to pass the hose through?
No worries. When you look at the back you will see the drain hose goes through it. There's just a plastic clip which you need to remove, but you will see all that from there.
Does the light gray part at front of dishwasher need to come off? Very few screws in the dark gray section, but seems locked in behind front panel.
Sorry for the delay in getting back to you. That light gray cover will come off, but you will need to remove the top and both side panels in order to remove that. The darker gray base is usually just clipped into place on there, so if you look at the screenshot it shows how it clips into the place, so removing it this should be the opposite.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.